Hey everyone, welcome to this ClickCreate Artist Reveal. Today we have Killer Acid. Killer Acid represents the psychedelic work of artist Rob, who has been actively making art and creating products for over 25 years. Located in Santa Cruz, California, the brand specializes in screen prints, t-shirts, and a myriad of mysterious, humorous, and highly detailed psychedelic ephemera. Originally launched in 2010, the style is a blend of head shop and punk rock, harkening back to his tumultuous and technicolor coming of age in New York City. Random, bright, and bizarre, the work draws the viewer in. Upon closer inspection, though, one finds the landscapes and headscapes are interwoven with personal meanings and artifacts of memories. Killer Acid has collaborated with many companies, including Santa Cruz Skateboards, High Times, Polaroid, Adult Swim, Meow Wolf, and Vice. The artwork has been featured in Chelsea art galleries to malls across America. The brand has been sold for many years in Zoomies, Urban Outfitters, PacSun, and Cosmic. Everybody, please welcome Killer Acid.